You need to hear this if you've ever caught a yawn. Let's dive into the science behind contagious yawns. So why are yawns so contagious? It all comes down to your brain's mirror neuron system. This system helps you understand and even feel what others are experiencing. It's like your brain's empathy engine. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons light up, making you yawn too. It's not just random. Studies show you're more likely to catch a yawn from friends and family than from strangers. It's your brain's way of bonding with those close to you. Pretty cool, right? So next time you find yourself yawning after someone else, remember, it's just your brain showing a little empathy. And hey, if you yawned while watching this, please comment. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you yawned.